Hello everyone, my name is Tang and today I will present about dispersion. In this presentation, I will divide into 6 parts, and in the first part, I will state and analyze the new concepts to be taught. The new concept in this lesson is dispersion of light. Second one, I will describe the situation linked to the light experiment. Using learned physics concept does not help students to explain it. And the third part, because I choose experimental approach to the problem, so students have to give their prediction. After that, students are required to design the experiment, collect and interpret data. The last part is elaboration. Now, we will start with the first part, state and analyze the new concept to be taught. There is some knowledge that students have to approach. Firstly, the phenomenon of splitting of white light into its 7 continuous colors is called dispersion of light. Band of colors obtained by the dispersion of light is called spectrum. Monochromatic light is light that is not dispersed through prism. And last but not least, white light is a combination of monochromatic light from red to purple. The second part is lead problems. Now I will require students to watching this video. In this video, there is a rainbow appear when the sun rises over the waterfalls. The incident light is white light. However, around the waterfall, the light with many different colors. Using learned physics concepts does not help students to completely explain why the light around the waterfall has many different colors. So now the question is, what is the relationship between the white light and the different colors of light? So before doing the experiment, students have to predict. In the video, students can easily observe that the incident light is white light. However, around the waterfall is light with many colors, different colors. So they might have the prediction that the white light is the combination of many different colors of light. In this lesson, students have to do 3 experiments. Consists of 2 experiments to verify and 1 experiment to investigate. So the prediction and experimental approach, I want students to concentrate in the third experiment. Okay. Now students, before doing the experiment, I will require students to design it. I will give a hint for students to use the prism. They might come from many ideas. Then I will show the real experiment and students have to compare the real one and their design. So the experiment to verify the dispersion phenomenon of white light through prism. Verify the property of monochromatic beam. Investigate the combination of monochromatic beam into one light. In order to verify the dispersion phenomenon of white light through prism, we passing the white light through the triangle prism. In order to verify the properties of monochromatic beam, we passing the monochromatic beam through the triangle prism. In order to investigate the combination of monochromatic beam into white light, we put another prism far away the original prism and one lens between two prisms, passing the white light through this system. The next part, collect and interpret data. After 3 experiments, we get the result. In the first experiment, a single parallel white light beam is separated into 7 continuous colors after passing through triangle prism. But in this experiment, we cannot conclude anything because the separate of white light might come from prism or something else. In the second experiment, a monochromatic beam, we passing the monochromatic beam through the triangle prism, still a monochromatic beam. So the prism does not affect to the separate of the white of the monochromatic line. In the last experiment, white light through 2 prisms and the lens still white light. So we can conclude that the white light is the combination of monochromatic light. And the last part is elaboration. Students discuss in group to explain the phenomenon in the first video. That is my presentation about dispersion. Thank you for listening.